Hey everyone, welcome back to another F1 update. So today let me take you to Austria for this weekend's F1 race, which we saw Lando Norris came out on top in a fierce battle with his McLaren teammate in the Austrian Grand Prix, crossing the line marginally ahead of Oscar Piastri as Ferrari's Prince Charles Leclerc took the final podium spot. It was an action-packed race here at the Red Bull Ring, starting with Kimi Antonelli locking up and taking out Max Verstappen on the opening lap before Norris and Piastri began their intense fight for the lead. A disappointing weekend for the young rookie, the young Italian. He obviously apologized and admitted that it was his mistake. He apologized when he crashed and also went to the Red Bull Hospitality Center to apologize Verstappen in person. And the Australian Piastri, he momentarily took P1 on lap 11 before Norris reclaimed it and later became the first McLaren to pit for the fresh and newer tires. And Piastri, he decided to stay out for another 4 laps. His advantage of the newer tires disappeared and they both had a really dramatic fight for the lead. But the British driver Norris, he was in control and finished ahead by just 2 seconds ahead of his teammate. And in another world in F1, both Williams drivers retired from the race with mechanical issues. Carlos Sainz, who we had a lot of hope from this year, obviously we are losing his, I think he would be losing his confidence after such, terrible weekends going on, and Albon retiring almost 3 times in a row. So obviously not a good weekend for the Williams team. And obviously we expected a lot more, especially from Sainz and the car itself. And it was a much better race for the young rookie in Kick Sauber's Gabriel Bortoleto, who maintained his qualifying position of P8 to come across the line, scoring his first points of the season, and Hülkenberg coming in the points, as well, making it a double points race for Kick Sauber. A really amazing race for them. Red Bull went downhill with Tsunoda coming in the last car, which was in working order, which finished the race. And we had hopes from Ferrari as well, and Ferrari, they delivered 3 and 4, a good position, but not enough for obviously the championship, which is their main goal. And so that is all for this weekend. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.